hello, my beautiful people. It's your one and only Lady J. If you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? One thing people, but see, maybe we leave matter for Matthias. Things we on the apple for this Africa, yeah. The things they shocktarize me sometimes, like seriously. Man, people. One man and the wife that they manage together, they not to get money like that. They suffer they manage. So this man now can send the wife message. May go buy something come. Because they wait till since how many months now they not going to see the woman. The woman not going to come back. Then they look for her for everywhere. Not know he say people will believe say they're smart past now those guys where they kidnap people. They don't go catch the woman. When met the woman, cut the woman all body. My people, things they disturb more than listing. Things they this life oh. Things they this life really.
Mother of 4 and used to work in a plantain chips production factory in Ogun State. She was reported missing in October 2019. The intelligence response team said they got involved when one Oluwasegun Adeyemi wrote a petition to their office. Immediately, the commander detailed a team to crack the case and ensure all involved are arrested. The investigation took months, and now this is the result. The police says there are 2 groups connected in the disappearance of Abosede. These 3 killed her and dismembered her body, while this group bought her body parts. Shegun, who Abosede was said to have visited last before her disappearance, leads the operatives through a thick bush to a river where Abosede was allegedly strangled. To get the other suspects, the police had to use Shegun. He said it all started in his office when the late Abosede came to pay him a visit. After years of friendship and trust, little did she know the one she called friend had a sinister motive when he dropped her drink.
Tell the lady that okay, you should sit down. I'm coming. Then I later invite all those guys. I tell them that okay, this guy that is one guy is planning me come. He's coming. So then I don't know exactly the time that you called me. So anytime you call, so I will tell them I will inform them. So to kill the guy and for ritual.
You know, we held her inside the river until she drowned.
I was the one that cut off her head, breast, and hands. All the remaining parts were cut off by Ayodele.
This horrifying tale comes with a long list of suspects. Different person buying different parts of her body. One person bought the skin for 5,000 naira, while another claims he was gifted one part of her breast.
Jagun called me that he have a flesh. I asked him that, where do you got it? He told me that it's in somebody that go and work in cemetery, get the meat. That is AY.
He must have killed the victim. I bought the head after a month that he killed the lady. I didn't buy fresh head. I bought human flesh. The day I asked him, he said he has the abali who sells human flesh. They told me the human flesh was from a cemetery, and I gave him 5,000.
I
bought the human flesh from Shegun at 5,000, and I used it for my personal ritual.
My people, what to my body that they talk about just now. Then they talk how I don't understand. The other one they say The other one they say he buy the body. The other one they say he buy the leg. The other one they say he buy the other side. I don't understand. Na person body. Now that they price like that so. He person body. Now this so people here they this word they say people body they waka. Not way Musa no go see for gate oh. People more na come here oh. This something they happen for that Naija. If you dey tell people say something they happen, don't say maybe person they joke. Don't say maybe person they lie. You can imagine that they sell person body like say that they price cold water. The other one say if this na the one where they sell cemetery, now they sell for am. Hey, my people, this one it shocked me. I see her for Parara this time. I say no, I must come share this thing for my people. Mona here, wetin dey happen. Mona be careful for Naija oh. Mona be careful how una take dey waka waka. Things dey happen. Things dey happen. Hey God, things dey happen oh. I fear we not fear these people. I fear we not fear them. Somebody come visit you with trust. You remember and cut all the body, go sell them. They say different parts they give people. My darling people, Mona be careful. Africa, Niger, no, things they happen. This woman hopefully suffer with her husband. They even remember and not even pay me. They could just no. Things they happen. No, I just pity for the husband. No, may God give him the mind. As he may God give him the mind when you go fit bear the loss, because it's not easy to just lost a wife like that. Things dey this life, things really dey this life. One have to be careful. One really have to be careful. I beg, my darling people. I know say na God na dey save person, but help those who help themselves. Help yourself. Oh, see. You imagine the way this man now just say no. Things dey this world. Things dey this world. Oh God. May God help us. May God protect us. May God have mercy on us. Because our sin wey we dey commit for this world is too much. May God really have mercy on us, really. Because I not see human being now go just wake up, say na to make person cut all the body, go they sell and they go. May God have mercy on us. May God have mercy on us. So, thank you, my darling people. Take care. Share this video for me. Let this video go viral. Share it, my people, so that make people hear what they happen for Africa. Thank you, my darling people. Bye.